Happy New Year, guys. Now we are in TKC Limos because I have spent today.
Your first day
Yes,
for this year, SPED
Yes, that's right.
tutorial.
January 2020.
Saan na location ng school mo?
Mandala Limos Cavite.
Okay. Let's go. Pray first. Ilang oras ka dito, Daniel?
2 hours.
2 hours. SPED tutorial po niya. Morning ka, Chris. Babay ka na, Daniel.
Bye-bye, guys. I'm waiting. I'm back. Hello, guys. I'm back. My 2 hours bed is already done. German. And now we're going home.
So, kamusta ang spend mo for 2 hours? Anong ginawa yun ni teacher?
At
Nag-math. Nag-recall lang kayo ng ano? Ng math? Tungkol saan?
fraction.
Fraction decimal. Nahirapan ka ba?
No, wait lang.
Ay, hindi ka naririnig. Ang hina daw.
Decimal fraction is easy.
Oh. Thank you, Lord. So, saan ang punta natin ngayon?
Ako na po, gently.
Ano? Buko muna. Diba? Pahinga naman. Okay. Pauwi na kami, guys.
Oh yeah, we're going home.
Home. Balik kami later.
Guys, I'm back. I'm going back to the barber shop. What place is this again? It's Hollywood. Inside? Here. Oh guys, I'm inside.
Saan barber ka?
Oh yeah.
Upo ka muna. Haircut. Bago magpasukan, resume ng klase by Monday.
My hair now.
Go. Yan. Ready ka na sa Monday? Resume ng klase. Yan. Papagiin ka ni Kuya. Pang ilan mo na dito sa public barbershop, Daniel? Twice na. Buti hindi masyadong maraming tao.
good.
It's good. So water based naman daw yan. Matutuyo na yan mamaya. Mawawala naman yan. Okay.
So guys, my haircut is almost done.
Wow! Pinapogi naman siya ni Kuya. Uy, ano masasabi mo kay Kuya?
Thank you.
Thank you. Anong name mo, Kuya? Abner? Ah, ayun, sorry. Ayun pala si Kuya Abner. Okay. Ano masasabi mo sa haircut mo?
So good.
Oh, good. Pogi na uli. Thank you, Kuya.
Guys,
Ah, thank you. Satisfied ka ba sa service ng Pabling Barbershop? Yes. Marap ka naman, parang nakikita nila. Oh, careful careful.
So guys, we're done in my quick vlog today that I cut my hair and I go to sped tutorial today. And please don't forget to like and sub to my channel. Bye bye.
Bye!